I like to grab that grip though. I hit a little,
That shit was low-key smooth. What's up, guys? I'm hungover, tired, and I'm fogging up. What a morning. He's making fun of the way I stand. I just met up with some buddies of mine. H-Riz, slow CBR 1K. Yeah. And then we got junk. Got junk. We're headed to Cars and Coffee. Coffee and Cars at the post. Bro, I shouldn't have done that. I should not have done that. I forgot I was hungover, dude. But we got this shitty ass bike right here. As you see, it's the Dookie 1K. Yeah, we're late as the meet starts at 8 and it's 8 right now, and it's a 45-minute drive. Oh, look at the sunset! Sunset. Oh, my ass itches, bro. Oh. The best apps, order you Chick-fil-A's goofy as hell. Oh, I forgot to change the battery in my my Insta360. I think I'm awake now.
Your ADHD went from like...
So what is he doing now? What are you doing? Damn, that was a good one. Ooh, some Starbies. Some Starbies sounds good. Yeah! Yeah! God, that's so goddamn loud, dude. I low-key crushed my nuts, bro. Oh. I crushed my nuts. Yeah, so to be honest, I don't even know what we're doing. I know we're going to a meet. Never been on this road in my life in Houston, so I have no clue what we're doing. Nice. Dude, the carbon fiber on his bike, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the carbon fiber on his bike is absolutely beautiful. I'm just gonna put the camera down until we get there, or until we get closer. I want to save at least a little bit of battery life left, so I will catch y'all in a little bit. I'm just gonna be quiet and let y'all soak it in, man. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. That, look at the helicopter. Like, I don't know if you can see that, probably not. But that's, oh, look, that is freaking, that view. Let's see what's going on today. Is my boy Swervy here? Oh, look at that. Look at that thing. Ooh, he hauling ass. Yeah, sure, we could park here. Oh, stretch the grum. Grum, grum, grum. Look at that. Nice. A duck, a dookity. Twin bros are here. Look at that. 1, 2, 3 H2s. Ah, ZX10s. I don't like ZX10s. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you something on my bike. I'm starting to blue. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm bluing. Look at that. Ah, I'm so happy, so proud. My ear is just, hello. Look at that. Hey, I know this bike. I know this bike. I should. Swervy. My boy Swerve. Look at that. Look at the front end on that. I want. STOs have a special place in my heart. Dog! There's a dog! Look at him. That thing is nice. I'm not a Bugatti fan. Oh, the tractor. They got the tractor! Holy rims. Those things are huge. This carbon fiber looks nice. This color though, I dig this purple. Oh, this blue too. Holy f, dude. There it is. Dog. White and red and black. Oh, what happened here? What a shame. So sad. Dude, look at the wheels.
I know.
Holy shit, bro. It's like perfect. My dream car. Look at that. Oh. I love the ass on these. Oh, it's the V-spec and everything. It's all original interior too. Oh. Holy. Look at that.
missing the KYT.
I do miss my KYT, to be honest.
Yeah, be safe, bro. Let's go.
Yeah, that was a very successful meet. A lot of cool bikes, a lot of cool cars. But yeah, it was a good meet. Now we are headed to we're headed to Cycle Gear. I'm wearing a mesh jacket right now. All three of us are gonna look at some leathers to see what size we need so we can order them. Oh, look at that, dude. Yeah, we're taking I-10 all the way there, so I don't think we're gonna be running crazy. Main reason why is I'm hungover. At the middle of that meet, I started to get nauseous as fuck, dude. It's a Cargo Bob from GTA. My little hat singing on for dear life. Got a little smiley face. That's my mood right now. That's my mood right now. I promise you. Oh. I love it. That's nice. Those cars are built perfect. The looks, the sound, how they handle, they are absolutely amazing. I finally have audio. Yeah, speaking of that, last weekend we went to a meet. First 10 minutes of the ride, audio. My chain got stuck in my chin strap, and I was trying to undo it because it was poking my neck, right? Well, I wasn't messing with my chain. I was messing with my Tristan distracted me. I was messing with my microphone plug, and I unplugged it. And so after that first 10 minutes, no audio. Great footage and everything too. Caught up. Homeboy just like left us. This is why I love riding I-10. God damn, that scared the shit out of me, bro. Oh. nice. That was a fun ride. We are coming up on cycle gear. Dude, someone fell out of that tree and hit me. That was a squirrel. He got mad, man. He heard us. We woke him up and he said, take this, bitch. Nice, nice. I think we're taking a left. Well, we just got here. Cycle gear. That was a fun ride.
Huh?
That was fun. Yeah. That was fun. But yeah, we just arrived at cycle gear, guys. The one in Katy. I'll catch you after this. See you later. Alright, we're finished with cycle gear. We tried on some jackets, some more gear. I'm probably gonna switch to leathers, but yeah. Okay. Thumbnail right there, baby. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. We're gonna stop at Wild West to look at R1s. Overall, it was a good day today. It feels amazing outside. Meat was good. Cycle gear was good. Gonna buy a leather jacket. So, other than that, aw, thank you. He gave me a hug. Y'all be safe. Take care. Ride your ride. Okay, and ride your ride.